So we have another inequality. When we have to solve this inequality, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which this inequality is true. Let me copy this example first. So I have 2 times 3 minus 2.5x is less than or equals 3 times 2 plus 3x. First, I have to use distributive law to eliminate this parenthesis. So 2 times 3 is 6 minus 2 times 2.5 is 5x is less than or equals 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3x is plus 9x. Now I will collect all terms containing x on the left side. So it will be negative 5x. Positive 9x, I will move to the left side, will be negative 9x is less than or equals 6 minus 6. I will move this 6 to the right side. So I have negative 6 now. So negative 5x minus negative 9x is negative 14x is less than or equal 6 minus 6 is 0. So now I have to divide both sides by negative 14 because I need to find only x. So negative 14, negative 14 and negative 14 will cancel and I have x, and because I divide by negative number I have to change the direction of our inequality, so will be x is greater than or equals 0. So now I can draw number line x. We have 0 because we have sign greater or equals, so 0 is included. So going to positive infinity, so we have interval close on the left side from 0 to positive infinity. This is our solution, and like always we can check if it's correct. I can choose 0 because 0 is included, so x is equal 0. So I have, let me copy first this example, 2 times 3 minus 2.5x is less than or equals 3 times 2 plus 3x. Now I will replace x by 0, so I have 2 times 3 minus 2.5 times 0 is less than equals 3 times 2 plus 3 times 0. So first I will copy 2 times 3 minus 2.5 times 0 is 0. So we have only 3 in parentheses, is less than or equals 3 times 2, and 3 times 0 is 0, so I have the 2 in parentheses. 2 times 3 is 6, is less than or equals 3 times 2 is 6. So this inequality is true because 6 is equal 6. So our solution is correct.